It's really hands-on, and that's something that I liked about it, is that I'm not bored. They're mentoring me throughout this whole entire step of the way until I'm able to go off on my own.
The confidence that they gain by being able to accomplish building a unit and the look in their eyes from the beginning to the end, it's a great accomplishment.
They're learning a good skill, something that should stick with them for a while.
They're making money on the job and learning these skills and getting credentials that are going to take them into the future.
I want a career. I want something that, I'm just not going from job to job to job to job.
They're fantastic jobs. In the aerospace, we got climate controlled areas. You're gonna have areas where it's nice and clean.
The beauty of being an apprentice here is that you're actually working on the parts that you're gonna be working on later, and tested on.
It's really a good experience to get to where I can just keep building myself up.